Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I have a collaboration video with Pandahall and I have been using the cable chain screw rings, so they just easily open like this, and because it's such a nice big size, you can use this for so many purposes. I am in the future maybe planning to use this for chunky tag flip, but today I have made something super fun. In the pack you get 10 different colors, and as you can see you get a good mix of colors including pastels, and you also get Halloween colors as well. Then I have also received this beautiful rhinestone spacer beads, and I am going to share with you guys all of the dangles I made using this as well. And I absolutely love this set so much. Then last month from Pandahall, I have received a whole lot of wonderful acrylic chains. And this time, because I'm working with Halloween theme, I have been using this black chain. And so I will show you all of the things that I got to make. So what I did is I made this. This is a really happy, fun, happy mail idea for Halloween time. What I have done is, in the previous video, I have shared with you guys all of the bead dangles and how I was putting them together. And so I put them in this holographic zipper bag to gift in the future. There is a variety, like there's a pumpkin bead, some larger size one that looks like lamps, there's star dangles, there's heart dangles, there's candy looking dangles, and including my poison flowers that I was showing you guys about. And to decorate the bag topper, I used the D-stash I bought, and it was a Andrea Becky, one of the Halloween collection that was I think released many years ago, and I got to use the sticker pieces on here to decorate. Then I made this dangle right using the cable chain, and to dangle off my chain, what I did was I just took my circular piece onto the bag topper and then decided where I want to punch the holes so that the ring can fit through. So I punched the 2 holes and fed this through and closed it again. On this one, you can see all of the bead dangles that I have been making previously, plus I got to add a couple more. Here is my Halloween ice cream bead cone, and then I added a black coffee as well. And I absolutely love this. So this is a really great way to gift all of this chain dangle plus all of the extras so that the future recipient can use these on their Halloween projects as well. And it holds up nicely like this, like a bag. And I really love this fun idea. Then I have made a pink version as well using the pink chain, the pink ring. And this is my pinky pastelloing dangle. This peppermint heart silicone focal bead is also from Pandahall, and I just used the ball pin and then with a tiny daisy bead spacer to make myself another charm, to make it into a charm instead of just using it for the pin. Then I have this Halloween ice cream as well, and I got to use the pumpkin beads and ghost silicone beads. And here I have packaged up the spools that are from Pandahall. So I put 4 different ones in here, and then I used the thicker letter pieces to spell spool. Then I added some stickers from Andrea Becky collection. Then I stitched it. Then I used the pink ring, which was a perfect match. And I absolutely love this. If you want to have a closer look at my dangle, I've got the ice cream, I've got the sweet candy. I also have some black pink version here. Then I've got a heart dangling. I have a ghost. Then the pumpkin, black and pink one. And then I have this one where I dangle the hollow star. And I have this piece. This is a really large chunky candy piece that I've had for a couple years, and I got to use that on here, and everything looks so pretty. So it's like gifting all of this plus these. And I love this fun packaging idea so much. Then I have another one, which is the violet color version. So this is more of a purple, black, and green combo. And then I used the thicker words from Rosie Studio. I used those sticker pieces. And then I also used the Andrea Becky sticker pieces as well as the paper to make this bag topper here. And it says charms, because this bag has charms from Andrea Becky things. And also I included the poison flower bases as well as some kuromi. And here I've got all sorts of purpley dangles, Halloween dangles, and this is my star dangle. I absolutely love this. I need more of these stars, I reckon. These are so pretty. And I have this candy in purple version. Then I have a pumpkin. Here are my set of poison flowers. Now my poison flowers are being held by this witch's hand. Now this charm was gifted to me by my friend Mary, and I just thought it was a fun idea to use this hand to dangle my poison flowers. Here is a purple ice cream cone, and then I have this one here. It's just really fun using all of these colors for Halloween. I have a black butterfly as well. So in here, once again, have a look. This is a really fun way to use this cable chain design ring. And I think you can put so much more. I think this is so fun, and I hope you guys have enjoyed looking at all of these. Thank you so much for being here, everybody, and I hope you have enjoyed my project share. And this is a collaboration with Pandahall. I will have my discount code down in the description area. So if you go look at the Pandahall website, make sure to use my discount code to save you 10%. Bye for now.